Welcome back to TJ Singh Videos, guys, where I bring you useful videos every week. So guys, in this video I will be showing you how to do the factory reset of your Sony Bravia LED TVs. So the process will be the same for every TV, but the settings might be on the different locations, so you need to check on that. So basically what you need to do is just hit so we're going to use the remote first of all. So you're going to hit home and you need to go into the settings option, and then you can go to the system settings, and then in the setup menu, and then in the customer support to access the factory reset settings. So this is step number one, or you can just directly go into this setting by hitting the customer support right after the settings option. So we are going to do this. So you can see the factory settings options right here. So it is asking you that do you want to restore to the factory settings, and yes, we are going to do that. So it's again confirming you that you want to reset all settings. So we're going to do yes. So it says please wait, it's going to turn off and then it's going to turn back on in a couple of seconds, if not minutes. So after this you will need to set up the TV like a fresh one. So guys, there you go, you have done the factory reset of this Sony Bravia TV. So it was quite an easy task to do. So I hope you really found this video useful, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for a lot more videos like this that will be coming on my channel in the near future. So I will be catching you in the very next one, guys. Till then, take care.